Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a couple of changes I made to my canopy. One is a power I put on the side of it so I can run 240 volts inside the canopy, and the other is moving my battery monitor. I can't see it, and changing the location of my power inverter. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Okay, one of the changes I'm going to make is I'm going to, up here in this corner, I'm going to put in a little board with a safety switch inside it and double power point below it, and on the outside I'm going to put in a it's called a generator outlet, but it's only 10 amp. I don't like the ones you put on caravans, they break easily, but that one there is weatherproof, so I'm going to put that on there. I'm not going to show you the wiring, I'm an electrician, so I don't want anybody doing it if they don't know what they're doing. So that's what I'm going to make a change. Now I've got a box here as well, and in that box I've got the battery monitor over on the switchboard over there. I can't see it, so I'm going to move it and put it on the side of the board, and I'm going to cut a bit of aluminium and paint it black and blank the hole over. Don't need to do it, I suppose I'm going to do that anyway, make it look better. So that's the plan at the moment. I'm going to make up a little bit of plywood for up here. Up in there, there's a bit of plywood, so the bit of plywood is going to go down there across, and then the two things are going to be mounted on there. So I'll carpet it first, have it all ready to go, then I can start wiring it and then screw it on. So yeah, that's what's going. The first step when you're doing something like this, or putting plywood in, is to make a template up. So I got a box out of the rubbish bin, out of the recycle bin I mean, and then I've put it up there, I've marked it, and I've cut it to that angle, so it just goes slightly behind it. Yeah, so I've cut that, and then I marked a bit of plywood out around here. And I've just cut the bit off here. I always start with the angle first, and then I'll cut it to length the suit. Very hard to do it the other way around. That's what I'm going to be doing now, is measure it and cut the rest of it. It's only a little board I'm making up. So yeah, gluing on the carpet and the board. Now just done the safety switch, 10 amps safety switch with the double power point there. I only want to go to 10 because I'm only using a 10 amp lead. Don't want to go any bigger. And then on this side I mounted that. That's the generator outlet, 10 amp generator outlet. I didn't use the base. I decided to cut a bigger hole and make it neater. So that's that one there. That is a base panel there I didn't use. So yeah, all I do is I lift it up. You lift it up and then plug in the and plug into it, and that's it. And lock it down again. It's all silicon on. Silicon everywhere. So, looks nice and neat up there. That gives me access to power inside. So when I go to a caravan park, I can lock everything up and run the fridge. Generally if I go to Ely Beach or somewhere like that, I park in the caravan park and then walk everywhere. Walk maybe 5 kilometres into Ely and around and back and down the shops and the pub. Yeah, so everything, I walk everywhere, so that's the idea behind this. And even sitting in my shed here, before I go camping, I like to run the fridge on power the night before. Even there, I either got to leave the door closed or only unlatched on one side, and I don't want it twisting. So I decided to do that. So during the night I can lock it up with everything in it and have the fridge running. So yeah, so that's all it is. Just turn that safety switch on there and I'm ready, and it's ready to go. Earth to the frame, I earthed it to there. But I won't show you the wiring. As I said, I'm an electrician, electrical contractor, and I don't want people doing it. Yeah, just put the plugs in to finish it off. And that's it. So the next project I'm starting on is the monitor. That monitor up here, I'm moving that and down to here, reversing this, getting rid of these wires and putting them down here through another hole, drilling another hole. Yeah, so that's the plan at the moment, is to do that. Can't turn that on easily, can't see the monitor. So that is my plan for the next alteration I'm doing. So I'm starting now, disconnecting everything. Idea was to blow the hot air out, but need access to it, so going to reverse it. Yeah, I've finally reversed that, so I can just turn that on from here. Power points are there. Got my power board up here. I put that in a box. Yeah, so I've got this in a box here now. I put a blank plate up there. I'm out of my car. I didn't paint it black. Didn't have time. Too tired. Taking me all day to do this. You haven't even vacuumed it yet. But yeah, that's in a good place where I can see it now. There. That'll go off. Yeah, it's gone off. Very little current draw. 13.1, still not fully charged. On the weekend, I had it down about 60%, I think, or 50%. So, weekend camping trip. But yeah, nice and neat where I put it there. Yeah. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.